Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Computer Basics. My name is Lydia and I'm here to teach you the foundational basics on how to use computers and other electronics. Today we'll be continuing our lesson on how to use a computer mouse. In part 1 of how to use a computer mouse, we learned how to move the mouse around and use the left click. If you haven't seen that video, it will be linked in the description and at the end of the video. In this video, we will learn what it looks like on your screen when we use our mouse. An important thing to know is the cursor, or an arrow, which is like a finger. As you can see on the screen, there is a small black arrow that is moving. That is a cursor. It may look similar on your own screen. As you can see, when the mouse is being moved, the arrow moves with it, mirroring my actions. As I said in the past video, remember to make sure you are not pressing down or clicking any of the buttons on the mouse while you are trying to move it. First, move the mouse to where you want your cursor to go, then you can click. Buttons are all over your computer. If something does not work the first time, try again. The best way to learn is to practice. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Nowadays, there is usually a way to go back to what you were doing or to start over. For example, I may want to see an answer to this question the internet offers. What is the coldest month in Corona? I will move my mouse and then I will click on the question. You will see that something changes as the internet provides an answer. However, you can see that it goes beyond the screen. How can I see the rest of what is written? This is where the scroll wheel comes into play. If you recall, the scroll wheel lies between the right click and the left click. The scroll wheel, unlike the left click, is not pressed down on. Instead, it is literally a wheel that you can roll up and down with your finger. Try it. When something goes beyond your screen, you may need the scroll wheel to roll in order to go up and down on the screen. As practice, let me show you. When I roll the scroll wheel, I can go downwards and see the full response to the question that I had pressed on earlier. I promise, if it's a little difficult now, it gets easier over time the more that you practice. Remember, the scroll wheel is not pressed down on. Instead, it is rolled up and down with your finger, and you can use it to go up and down to see more information on the screen that you are on. Don't forget to click like and subscribe in order to follow along for the next videos. Comment with any questions or concerns that you may have.